Ever thought about making your home more energy efficient, but kind of get scared off by the price tag? Well, there's a huge government incentive that can save you literally thousands of dollars. In this explainer, we're going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to claim the Residential Clean Energy Tax Credit.
So you're looking around your house, right? And you're thinking, man, I'd love to go green. Maybe some solar panels on the roof? What about one of those geothermal heat pumps? It's an awesome goal, for sure. Good for the planet, and definitely good for your wallet in the long run. But let's be real, that upfront cost can feel pretty big.
Well, what if I told you the government actually wants to help you pay for it? The Residential Clean Energy Credit is designed to give you 30% of the cost back on new, qualified clean energy systems for your home. We're going to break down exactly how you get that money back.
Okay, first things first. Before we get into all the cool tech, we have to do a quick check. Is your property even eligible? Let's find out.
You know, for a government program, the first part is actually super simple. Your home just has to be in the United States. And it doesn't matter if you're building a brand new house from the ground up or if you've lived in your place for 20 years. Both new and existing homes qualify. Easy enough, right? Now, here is a really important point. The equipment you install must be new. You can't go find some used solar panels on Marketplace and get the credit. No second-hand wind turbines. To qualify, the whole system has to be fresh out of the box, never used before. All right, so you've confirmed your home is eligible. Now we get to the fun part. What kind of green technology can you actually buy to get this credit? This is where you can start dreaming a little bit. Think of this as your official green tech shopping list. It's got all the big ones you'd expect, like solar electric panels and even those small wind turbines for your property. But it also covers things like solar water heaters, geothermal heat pumps, which are super cool. They use the Earth's temperature to heat and cool your house, certain kinds of fuel cells, and even battery storage.
Hey, let's pause on that battery one for a second because this is key. If you want to install a battery to store all that awesome energy you're generating, you got to pay attention to the specs. The battery needs to have a capacity of at least 3 kilowatt hours, so make sure you double check that number before you buy.
And get this, the credit is actually better than you might think. It doesn't just cover the price of the shiny new hardware. It also applies to the labor costs for getting your site ready, for the assembly, the installation, even the pipes and wiring you need to hook the whole thing up to your house. Okay, let's clear something up, because this trips a lot of people up when it comes to roofing. If you have to, say, replace some shingles or strengthen your roof just to hold up some new solar panels, those traditional roofing costs do not qualify. But if the roofing material is the solar system, we're talking about those cool solar tiles and shingles that actually generate power themselves, then yes, those costs do qualify. The big question is it just holding stuff up, or is it making energy? Okay, so you know you're eligible, you've picked out your tech, you are ready to pull the trigger. What's next? Let's walk through the actual purchase and, you knew this was coming, the paperwork.
The plan here is pretty simple. It really boils down to 3 steps. 1, buy and install your new system. Get it up and running. 2, get all your documents together. I'm talking every single purchase receipt, every installation record. And 3, put all that paperwork somewhere safe where you won't lose it.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This is straight from the IRS. And let me tell you, when the IRS uses the phrase strongly recommends, it's a really good idea to listen. So why is this so important? Well, 2 huge reasons. First, if the IRS ever decides to audit you, this paperwork is your golden ticket. It's the proof that you claimed the credit legally. And second, if you ever sell your house, these records help establish its value. It's all about protecting yourself down the road.
We are in the home stretch now. You've done the research, you've made the purchase, you've got your system installed, and you've got your folder of documents. Now for the best part, officially claiming the credit you've earned.
This is it. This is the one number you absolutely need to remember.
That number is for IRS Form 5695. The official name is Residential Energy Credits. And don't worry, this isn't some extra complicated thing. You just fill this form out and file it right along with your normal annual tax return, like your 1040.
Now, the IRS loves to use specific jargon, and here's one you need to know. Put in service. It sounds complicated, but it just means the year the installation was totally finished and the system was ready to go. So if you bought all the gear in December, but the installers didn't finish until January, you'd claim the credit on that second year's taxes, the year it's ready for use. So let's just do a super fast recap of the whole game plan. Step 1, make sure your home is in the US. Step 2, buy brand new qualifying tech from that official shopping list. Step 3, keep every single piece of paper. And Step 4, file Form 5695 with your tax return for the year the system was put in service. That's the whole shebang.
And there you have it. You're all set. You now have the blueprint to get 30% of your investment back. Your home is running cleaner, and your wallet is definitely a bit happier. You're not just cutting down your energy bills, you're becoming a part of the energy solution. So the real question is, what's next? What are you going to power with your own clean energy?